First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you about how AADME has helped me to grow until now. Well, to understand it deeply, we'll have to first understand what is AADME. I would say AADME is a temple where people like us will have to put our ego behind and follow the rules of life, which our mentor has understood from his knowledge and past experiences he has already gained by working in different industries. Let me introduce to Mr. Alok Badatia. He's a gem of person. I really admire him as a big brother. The way he wakes up and put fire into us during his morning sessions, it's brilliant. He's a global digital marketing coach and internet marketing strategist, a YouTuber and a LinkedIn creator and a chief mentor at AADME. He has taught us to be organized. He has told us the basic mantra of life. Whether it's a job related or business, he has told us that if any work is done with a little wisdom, then no one can stop you from being successful. From branding, presentations, e-commerce, graphics, how advertisement works, he has taught us all. And with the lessons and learnings of AADME, we have applied the knowledge taught by him in our lives. Thank you, Alok Bhai, for coming into our lives and helping us to give back more to the community we live in, and to make us more powerful to help businesses to grow at a much faster rate. Love you, AADME, and thank you for being there for us. This is Amit from AADME batch 86. We promise that one day we'll make you proud of us. Thank you.